Hey, welcome to R2. If you're new to the channel, we discuss how to sell your art online with print on demand. Many of you have asked me which computer software I use to create t-shirt designs. Hence this video, I'll discuss a few ways I use Canva to create t-shirts. And Canva is a free online design platform that makes it easy for anyone to create professional looking designs. With a library of built-in templates and easy drag and drop tools, Canva is perfect for creating t-shirt designs that can be sold through print on demand services like Merch by Amazon, Teespring, or Redbubble. And in this video, we'll show you how to make money with Canva creating t-shirt designs to sell through print on demand. And I'll also go over some of the most attractive features that make it such a popular design tool and provide you with some tips for making the most out of your time spent designing on Canva. In order to log into Canva, you'll need to establish an account with Canva. There's a free version and a paid version. If you don't already use Canva, there is a link in the description box below to get a 30-day free trial of the Pro account. That will give you access to Pro designs, photos, and elements, and also tools like the background remover and being able to save files as a transparent PNG, which, trust me, is a blessing for print on demand design projects. You can get the paid version for free for 30 days if you use my link below. Make sure you get it so you can use all the fantastic features that are available in the Pro version of Canva. Even if you just use it for 30 days, you're going to be able to come up with a whole bunch of designs in those 30 days that you can upload to print on demand websites and start making some money with. Now, if you want to design a t-shirt in Canva, the first thing you should do after logging in is to go to the T-shirt design template. This is one of the easiest ways to get started in Canva when you're designing a t-shirt. It's going to come out to the right size, pixel sizes that you need to upload to print on demand websites, and you already have some designs that are created in the templates that you can play around with and customize to your own liking. There are so many different templates available on the site. It's really easy to find one that suits your needs. For this project, I found a template with a black background and white text, which will work well with my design idea. The nice thing is that you can really customize it to be whatever you want it to be. Once you've chosen your template, you can start designing by adding images and text boxes. You can use elements available in Canva, and what I like to do is upload my original design work and various elements from Canva to come up with a new original design that I've kind of inputted my own original design into, and use some of the elements that are available in Canva to make it look a little bit prettier and a little bit more professional. For this instructional video, I have used clip art I found online, but normally that would be my original work. From text to graphics, you can make your own personalized t-shirt using any image in your library. It is possible to create a design 100% just using Canva, but you need to understand the copyright rules for the images that you find through Canva and if they're allowed for commercial purposes. So I prefer to use just a few of the elements that are kind of neutral and then take my own original artwork and overlay it over some of those different styles to come up with something that is more original for me and that I know that I don't have any issues with using someone else's designs. So I usually start with an image for the background and add my graphic design on top. I've created an entire design with Canva at Christmas time. One of those designs blew up on Redbubble, and I generated a lot of sales from a design that I made 100% on Canva with no other design tools. If I'm utilizing my own design, I do so on my iPad or my PC using a variety of apps. I'll upload the design to Canva once I'm satisfied that it looks the way that I want it to. I appreciate that you can remove backgrounds in Canva's Pro Edition, and it works pretty well. There are many of you out there that make a ton of sales with just typography designs, and if you're like me, you're going to love the number of fonts that are available with Canva. I find so many different fonts that I can use in different projects, and I usually can find a font that matches something that I'm designing. So it's one of the best features for me personally is the ability to find so many cool fonts within this program. And if you're doing typography designs, or if your design calls for some typography, then you won't be disappointed with the number of fonts available within Canva and Canva Pro. If you dig a little deeper and add some creativity, you can take those typography designs and turn them into more elaborate designs with a few of the features found in Canva. Playing around with different font sizes, shapes can lead to some great looking t-shirt designs that really sell well. You can end up with something that looks like a professionally designed print on demand design that is sure to be popular. Your ultimate goal is to maximize the profitability of your custom t-shirts, so make sure you know who you're making these t-shirts for. And what you could do now is you can add your own designs into Canvas. Sometimes I just like to start with a blank canvas, so I'll pick the default blank t-shirt template and I'll add in my design. I will find some fonts that I'd like to work with for this particular design. I'll find background elements that I can incorporate into the design, and I'll make it all come together in this blank canvas. Then another thing that I'll do is I'll download it as a PNG that's transparent, and that's really important important because if you do it as a transparent PNG, you can customize it to almost any product. So if you upload it to Redbubble or other print-on-demand platforms, that transparent PNG is going to look great on a whole bunch of products, not just the t-shirt designs. So we discussed Canva, and I demonstrated how to rapidly build a t-shirt design using their pre-made templates, which you can edit by just clicking on all the elements and playing around with some of the things that are on the screen. I demonstrated how to upload a design so that you can customize for your print-on-demand business, and I hope that this will get you started creating designs through Canva really quickly, and you can scale this up to make a whole bunch of t-shirts or t-shirt designs by just changing a few elements here and there. So if you had a city or a town that you wanted to create a t-shirt for, all you have to do is change out the town names, and that now can be used for various cities or towns around the world instead of just having that one design for one particular town. It's very easy to scale and make a whole bunch of customizable shirts with Canva that you can upload to print on demand. So if you followed along, you should have a design ready by now to upload to your preferred print on demand platform. And if you liked today's content and have not already subscribed, hope you can hit the subscribe button. We're constantly uploading videos on how to sell your art online and make extra money, with many tips on how to start a print on demand business, how to find software to create your designs, and other tips that would be helpful if you're getting into print on demand. So hopefully you'll join us in the next video. Until then, have a great day, guys.